Teaching your dog to bark on command is a fun and useful trick. It helps your dog learn when it is okay to bark, and can also be a great way to bond with them. There are simple tips to help your dog learn and follow the bark command in a fun and positive way. Pick a quiet and calm time of day to teach your dog to bark on command. Make sure your dog is relaxed, not too tired or too full of energy. Avoid training when there are distractions like loud noises or visitors. A peaceful environment helps your dog focus and learn faster. Get your dog's favorite treats ready before you start training to teach them to bark on command. Choose small, tasty treats that your dog loves and can eat quickly. Wet dog food has many benefits for your dog's health and happiness. It contains more moisture, which helps keep your dog hydrated. It is usually tastier and more appealing, especially for picky eaters. Also, it is softer and easier to chew, which is great for older dogs or those with dental problems. This makes learning fun and helps your dog understand what you want. Use a favorite toy to create the perfect bark situation when teaching your dog to bark on command. Hold the toy up or shake it to get your dog excited and encourage them to bark. As soon as your dog barks, say the command like speak and reward them with praise. This helps your dog connect the toy, the command, and barking together. Using a clicker can make teaching your dog to bark on command easier and clearer. When your dog barks after you say the command, immediately press the clicker to mark the exact moment they did the right behavior. Then, quickly give them a treat as a reward. The click sound helps your dog understand exactly what action earned the reward. This makes learning faster and more fun for your dog. Adding a hand signal is a great way to help your dog learn to bark on command. Choose a simple gesture, like opening and closing your hand to mimic a talking mouth. Use this signal every time you say the word speak during training. Your dog will learn to respond to both the word and the hand motion. This also helps your dog follow commands even when it's too loud to hear your voice. Be patient and positive while teaching your dog to bark on command. Use kind words and lots of praise to keep your dog motivated. Never yell or punish if your dog does not get it right immediately. A calm and happy approach makes training more effective and fun. Celebrate small wins when teaching your dog to bark on command. Even if your dog just makes a small sound after the command, reward them with a treat and praise. Give belly rubs or playtime as an extra reward. Always make training feel like a fun and happy experience. So, by using these tips and products, you can teach your dog to bark on command.